Yep. 3, 2, 1 up. Watch out, watch out, watch out.
Yeah.
Yep.
Currently ranked in the top 10. Let's beat them. Starting off on the red line, currently ranked number 2, 77-69. Currently ranked number 2 is Rude. Showing them to the right, ranked number 8, 61-21. Currently ranked number 8, it is the Robotics from Trailing. Rounding it out on red, currently ranked number 1, it's 27. Representing Clarkson High School, it is Team Rock.
Oh, this thing's broken.
It is the
Do it right.
I think this match is a perfect time to ask the audience here on our DT Energy Foundation field who thinks the red Lions is going to take this one down.
3, let it out. 1, 2, 3.
And who thinks the blue Lions is going to win this one?
107.
The Lions, show them how it's done.
First match of playoffs. Let's go. We gotta get our heads in the game. First match of playoffs. I don't really like that color green.
Drivers behind the lines in
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go!
Nice.
And it's a tournament spirited qualification match. 64 here on DTE Foundation Field. The field is pouring in to the red hub. The blue alliance.
We won.
We
Do
won
a quick
auto, we
cycle,
won
10
auto.
seconds, 10 seconds. Lot in center.
27.
10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
We're beating,
1.
we're beating.
6088 is right across from you. Play from the left side.
Keep going. You got this.
20 seconds. Speed.
Keep going. No, there's a ton on the right. We need to beat.
15 seconds.
Speed a little. Just a little. All right, go.
10,
Go.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. First scoring.
All right, go under.
20 seconds. Triple defense.
Shoot.
18 seconds. Scoring. First scoring.
Under the tower.
15 seconds.
Careful the hood.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Second feeding.
We can't fill up all the way. Don't fill up all the way next time.
20 seconds feed.
Just fill up half so we can go to the trench.
15 seconds feed.
All right, fill up. Don't fill up all the way. On your right.
10,
You're done.
9,
Come back.
8, 7, 6,
Nice job.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Second scoring shift. It's our last shift.
Shoot. Right in the corner, right in the
Underneath the tower, there's a ton. 15 seconds, last shift.
Okay, coming back. Do many, coming back.
10,
Come on.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Endgame.
There's a sign. Go back to the basics.
25 seconds, endgame.
Go tower. Catch him on the tower.
20 seconds, endgame.
Scoring.
Come back. Go over.
15 seconds.
You're shooting the tower now. Nice job. Amazing job, Aubrey.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
It was either 68 or 36-68. What'd you say? What? It was annoying, but it's fine.
572 to 337 for the line, seeking home 5 ranking points. The Blue Alliance was advertised.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell to stay up to date on future fun videos. Build your alliance with so many other FRC alumni who go to Kettering University. Every student at Kettering experiences their cutting-edge co-op programs that seamlessly blend the professional and academic worlds. Kettering co-ops are a fully immersive working experience at the leading edge of industry. Head on over to kettering.edu/FRC to learn more about their incredible programs and to get more information.